Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, we're going to learn all about Talos crypto or Telos crypto from a complete beginner's perspective. So guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also, feel free to follow me on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins and NFTs, and not so much NFTs anymore, but altcoins and day trading and how I make my profits and stuff on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow. Now, for those of you who are actually new to my channel, and this is the first video you've seen of me, this video is part of my altcoin education series, where I go through and do a general overview of all kinds of different projects for people to listen to who have busy lives and don't have time to do research on their own. Because quite frankly, you guys, there's a lot of people out there who don't have time to do research on these projects. They just don't. I mean, they don't have the time. Whether they've got, they're busy and they've got kids, or they've got busy lives and just a really busy, hectic work schedule, or, just anything, guys. Life happens, right? Not everybody has the time to research crypto projects like people like me have. So they can listen to the video and just get a general overall idea of what the projects are about. So guys, we're going to look into Telos today, all right? So Telos is currently ranked number 232 on CoinMarketCap at the time of me filming right now, and is currently trading for 92 cents as well, with a $250 million market cap and a $270 million circulating supply right now. Or sorry, not dollar, 270 million of their tokens are currently circulating. So guys, we're gonna check this out and take a look and see what see what their project's all about. Overall, you guys, price data goes back all the way until September of 2019. So this project has definitely been around for quite some time, but it didn't really start to take off until the beginning of 2021. So that just goes to show that, hey, just because a project is down for a long time does not mean that it's not going to be down forever. I mean, to be brutally honest with you, I didn't know anything about Telos until it started taking off back then. So that's kind of what got my attention to it. So guys, let's check it out and see what we got going on here. So we got Telos, all right? It's the home of the fastest Ethereum virtual machine. All right, what do we got going on here? It's a groundbreaking blockchain that's fast and scalable. It battle-tested 10,000 transactions per second with a 0.5 second block. And then there's no gas fees on native and insignificant fees on EVM to keep spammers away, and no front running. So first in, first out transactions functionally eliminate front running. And it's definitely decentralized, so their block producers are located around the world and cannot be owned by the same entity. And it's eco-friendly, the most energy-efficient blockchain. They also aim to offset all of their carbon emissions, and it's community governed as well. Using their governance engine, their community decides on everything from proposals to board members. So guys, this is definitely a project that's not for end users, but it's more for developers and people who are more technologically advanced. Clearly this is something that people are building on top of. Now, anyway, let's see what else we got here. We got supporting the two leading smart contract protocols. We've got the Telos EVM and Telos Native. So EVM Solidity. Telos is the first EVM compatible blockchain built on EOS.io. Okay, so it built on EOS. Okay. Deploy and run your Ethereum apps using Telos EVM for the most performant and secure DeFi available today. Telos natively runs EOS.io C++ smart contract technology. I don't know what that means, so that's where I'm coming from, you guys, when I say that this project is more for people who are technologically advanced and people who know the whole development world, I guess you could say. Me, I'm more of an end user type of person, so I don't really understand the whole technologically advanced type stuff, but that's okay. Not everybody has to. There's a reason why people are developers, and there's a reason why there's people who are more technologically advanced. So there's nothing wrong with it. All right, let's see what else we got here. So Telos EVM is a scalable solution for Solidity-based applications, built with the intent of revolutionizing the DeFi landscape. Unlike other scalable EVMs, Telos EVM is not just a fork of the original Go Ethereum code. It's an entirely new EVM redesigned from the ground up to take full advantage of the performances that the Telos native blockchain delivers. Let's see here, and then Telos native. So Telos is the ideal network for real-world use across multiple industries. Telos-based tokens, NFTs, and smart contracts are already used for DeFi, gaming, social media, amongst a backdrop of almost unlimited real-world use cases. And there are over 100 projects already building on Telos, you guys. So that's nice to see as well. We'll click on Explore Our Apps just to check out their ecosystem. All right, ready to get started. So if you want to get started and you want to get involved with the Telos ecosystem, I guess, hey, come here and check it out. As I said, you guys, I don't really... I'm not a developer or anything, so I really can't tell you much about, how it works or anything like that. Hey, I'm a beginner just like you guys. So, nobody is an expert when they look into a project the first time. So, and that's the whole point of my channel, you guys. That's the whole point of this is to, we're all beginners. My channel is for beginners and we're all learning together. So there's nothing wrong with that. Let's see here. Telos is the most advanced smart contract network today. Evolutionary governance. Use Telos's Decide governance engine. Telos. Okay, it's just terrible wording there. Flexible and user-friendly fee models. BTC and Ethereum scaling. So peg tokens like BTC, ETH, and USDT onto Telos for fast, feeless transactions. Scale Ethereum DeFi. So apparently, if people who are building projects on Ethereum, they can use Telos, I think. I don't really know. See, I don't really understand this very much, you guys, to be brutally honest with you. If somebody who, is watching this knows more than me, obviously, hey, please let me know in the comment section. Because as I said, you guys, crypto space is growing. Just because somebody doesn't understand something, doesn't mean they need to be judged. We're here to learn and help each other out, you guys. And that's the whole point of this channel here. It's for beginners. So that's what we're trying to do is learn about this stuff. And everybody starts somewhere. So we're trying to learn, trying to figure this out. No front running. Telos's validator nodes process transactions in the order they are received, leaving no nasty surprises. And honestly, you guys, I've never been a big fan of, technologically advanced projects like this personally. Projects like this confuse the hell out of me. I prefer projects that are more... I personally prefer projects that are more end user focused, meaning they're projects that are built for end users, meaning stuff that people on the end can use on a regular daily basis. Stuff like this isn't for end users. This is more for blockchain developers and people who are building dApps on the blockchain and stuff like that. So that's why I really can't say much about this really. Let's see here. Transactions per second. Telos, 10,000. ADA, 257. That's not true. This is not true whatsoever. I'm sorry, but this isn't true. And I can prove it too. So, but yeah, 257 transactions per second on ADA. That's not right. 7,200 on Matic. That seems kind of pretty accurate. 20 on Ethereum per second. I don't know about that. I don't know. I can see why they're doing it and why they'd put it here. It makes sense. So whatever. Let's see what else we got going on here, you guys. I believe that's pretty much all that we can learn from this, really. Realistically, you guys, we can try to learn all we want, but realistically, you guys, it's going to be, they have a knowledge base here as well, but again, guys, they don't do a very good job of explaining things to beginners. They're basically explaining things to people who are already intermediate or advanced, which is not what my channel is about. So for those of you who are new and you're trying to understand this project, you're going to have to do a little bit more of a deep dive into it. I'm going to have to as well because, again, guys, I'm not technologically advanced. That's just not how my brain works. I'm more focused on end user type stuff. There's nothing wrong with that. Just the different types of people out there, you guys. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it whatsoever. So, but overall, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this project. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me here on Twitter with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.